If you want to see all the latest O2 Garage episodes, make sure you hit the subscribe button.
Yeah, baby.
HoonTV!
Hey guys, how are you?
It's too early for this. Are you sure we should do it?
I tell you what, it is early, look at that. 5:45 any given Sunday, and Tom and I have got ourselves a really good hot lead on some cars 4 hours north in Port Augusta. What do you reckon?
Sounds good. Even though I'm gonna go to sleep the whole time though.
Let's go. How you going, Uncle Mark?
Good.
Milk. How many pies is Uncle Mark getting?
Like 2.
He's fat ass, isn't he? The deal is, the guy that owns this place is actually called James Mardle, and it's the JDM X Park. And he bought a house over here, and then what he did is he built a drift track in his backyard. It is genius. So what do you reckon, boys? Reckon there's some gold there?
We gotta come back here, Dad. There's a lot of cars.
Over there, see an XW Falcon.
Oh yeah.
Also like an old Valiant Ute. Have a go at the old Dodge truck down here. Volvo. All long stuff here. Can't decide, do I need guns or ammo?
I need both! Alright guys, so we're actually leaving Port Augusta right now. We've come up and had a look and had a few cool cars in there, but in the end we actually only popped on 3 cars. Tell them what we popped on, Tom.
An XD Falcon, an Austin 30 and a 5x5 sedan.
So a pretty broad range of cars. He had a whole heap of stuff there, but he wasn't all that happy with what we offered, so I got a feeling we're going to come away from this deal empty-handed.
No, just whoa, wait a minute. He never said no.
He wasn't very happy.
No, but he was thinking about it. So let's just give him time to mull over our offer.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure. You were getting a bit excited, but I think we're going to come away with nothing.
We got free lunch.
Yeah. Great.